Alright, this is one of the craziest things I've seen since being on this trip. This is a 53-meter tree full of nails. No harness. Jonah's already up there. We're going. It's a good test on the heart. Have you gone yet?
Where's going?
You going?
Yeah, it was awesome. Get up there.
Alright, here we go. You're on my head. Oh man. Is there a weight restriction?
9 people.
Okay. This is insane.
The pegs are slippery when they're wet.
So as long as it doesn't rain.
Please take a hammer with you.
I don't like when it twists around the tree though.
So are you, it's gonna do that all the way to the top. Heights is one of my sharks and heights for me.
Oh, Rob.
Yeah.
You only got sharks on
This is a long ways up, eh? This is definitely worth 15 bucks though. Even if we only make it halfway. Zara, are you gonna keep going?
Well, I'm always looking down. Don't look down, otherwise you get scared. Well, I'm not getting scared and I'm looking down.
Whew. Are you coming? Are you coming?
Don't listen to pigs.
I'm not even 10 meters off the ground and my heart's actually I should see what my heart rate's doing right now. 85. Whew. How you going, Zai? Oh, how you going? Babe?
Yeah? Alright.
Oh yeah?
I don't have the best food on.
Oh, heart rate's over 100.
What? Mine's at 76.
You're doing great, buddy.
I can't believe Zai's doing it.
Can't believe I'm doing it.
I'm alright with this actually.
Really? Have you looked down?
No. I am. Don't. Then why am I?
Oh, there's
That's something to hang on to.
there's the adrenaline.
Huh?
The adrenaline's just kicked in.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Holy moly. Woo. This is insane. It's good, but it's definitely a test on the quality of your heart. Oh. Holy moly. You alright, Lise?
Yeah, I'm starting to get a little bit. Get the shakes up.
Yeah. Talk about overcoming your fear response. Oh. I just can't believe there's such a thing as this. Seriously. Like, first of all, just think about building it, and then the fact that they let people on it. Oh, you're doing great, bud. I'm so proud of you. No, you're doing really well. You're almost there. Just grab. Take your time. You okay?
Yeah, I feel like it's going forever. My knees are just shaking.
Yep.
Hey, Daddy, are you at the top?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, Lena, you're doing well. We just have
Oh.
to close up the
cannot believe that this is allowed.
And I can't believe that I was the first one to get up.
Oh, Jones, that was insane. You alright? There's a handle here.
My hands are cramping. I'm
Here you
gripping
go.
so hard.
You don't need to grip so hard.
Yeah, but that's what you do when you're scared.
Oh, this is just... this is crazy. I can't believe... I've said it like 10 times, but I can't believe you're allowed to do this. Oh, these feel like they're bending outwards.
Yeah, this one's a bit wobbly.
Nah.
I'm at 80.
Does that close?
Yeah.
My heart rate went from 70 down the bottom to 80 at the top. I felt
Really?
like 200.
I'm at 112 at the moment.
Is it easy to get down?
Is this the top?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
I cannot believe that's legal.
well done everybody. We made it. That was seriously, that's going to be one of the craziest things I've ever done.
Got the
It's in just,
Craziness!
alright Zai, will we head down now? Doing well guys. Well done. Did you? Here Zai, come here. Zai, come here. High five. Well done. High five, buddy. Yeah, we'll just wait. Well done. Come here, Layla. High five. There we
well
go.
done.